So as I'll repeat and say, for those who acquire bots from us, okay, and as I've said, they're 10 USD for everything. We send them to you. When I send them to you, when you open, this is the first thing you'll see. As you can see, whatever you see right now is what you will see as the first thing, okay? When you see this, you click, and you will see I've organized them for you in 3 categories: trading bots, trading documents, and how to use your package. When you click on trading bots, okay, you will come and click trading bots here. Sorry. Let me come and click. Okay, let me click here. So when I click on trading bots, you will see the bots are there and have been organized in alphabetical order to make it easy for you to access them. Maybe you like to use CandleMine. Just scroll slowly. All right. Your CandleMine is here. Okay, so let me show you. Before we finish. So CandleMine, if I come here, you can see CandleMine version 3, CandleMine version 2. The same goes for trading documents. They are all there. And again, how to use in case you do not know where to start. When you click on that guide, will guide you. As you can see, I've given you a full guide on how to proceed. Okay. All right. So I hope that again I wanted to give that so that at least everyone can be satisfied with how they look.